Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we got some amazing news. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 is in fact official. Samsung has sent its official invitations to the press. So the event is going to happen in New York on August the 7th, and that is going to be the release date of the Note 10. Now, if you do go to the official Samsung newsroom, you'll see they say on August 7th, Samsung Electronics will unveil new devices designed to take Galaxy ecosystem's connectivity to the next level. The reveal will take place at Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event in New York. And of course, if you watch that video, there seems to be some amazing secret hidden feature on the S Pen that we have not heard about. It might be true or it might just be a tease, but they're using the S Pen to draw a camera. Could this be that there's a camera on the S Pen, or does this mean that S Pen simply is going to have a unique feature? And of course, the other very important thing here is it says here on August 7th, Samsung Electronics will unveil new devices. So that's plural. So looks like we're going to be seeing a couple of new devices at the Unpacked event. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this. Let me know if you guys feel the same in the comments down below, or perhaps you don't care, but I do care. And of course, I did get my official invitation to go to the event, and unless there's some crazy life event, I plan to attend. But regardless, I'm going to give you guys rock solid and juicy coverage of all the details of the Note 10 and the other new devices. And again, let me know what you guys think about that video. The official invitation video seems very enticing with the S Pen drawing a little camera. All right, so let me know what you guys think about that as well. And guys, August the 7th it is. All right, so remember, we do know a lot about the Note 10 as of now. There's going to be two models, the Note 10 and the Note 10 Pro or the Plus. And of course, we're going to have a center hole cutout for the camera. And of course, we're going to have a large and beautiful screen with thin bezels, triple cameras on the rear for the smaller Note 10. And of course, for the larger Note 10 Plus or the Pro, we're going to have quad camera system. But again, this is just a quick update to let you guys know of the official release date for the Samsung Note 10. Fantastic news, guys. And of course, you have a fantastic day too. And by the way, on August the 7th, you will be able to watch the event, the unveiling of the smartphone event, live at Samsung.com or all the other websites that they have listed on the official notice. I'll drop a link to the official notice down below as well, so go check it out. All right, guys, have a fantastic day. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.